Ladies and gentlemen, in this video tutorial I will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the new ransomware called Udaigen. This is the ransomware that may affect the majority of file types. My video, however, is only for the educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will just show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files. Well, before the ransomware attack, you have just clearly seen that you were able to open any file types without any troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documentation and other data. But because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this Udaigen ransomware may be easily injected. And when it happens, users notice that they can no longer access their data. They try to open this specific file and they get a message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with this jcrypt extension, which got additionally appended to the file names. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a certain ransom for file recovery, but paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee the file restoration. So don't waste your money, don't pay it. By the way, this is the ransom note. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. So download the program using this green download button, install the software, and then start researching the computer. The software is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on the Start Scan button. Most likely the program will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is certainly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So after the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, click on Start Scan button. The program begins researching the system. I want to emphasize your attention on the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. This feature, however, does not decrypt files. Nevertheless, Combo Cleaner helps to effectively identify this particular ransomware and to get rid of it fully and effectively from the system. So at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Some threats can be removed manually, but we recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license, which is a much better solution. It will help you to keep your data always protected, and you can always request for the free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.